Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for the most amazingly fluffy, soft waffle towels, you've got to check out these ones from Viva Maison. The way that they feel on your skin is so soft. They are 100% cotton Turkish towels, and I just love how squishy they are. It will absolutely blow your mind how amazing these are. Not only are they gorgeous, but they're also ultra absorbent. These are the sage green ones. I got a set of 4. They have a deep waffle pattern to them that has such amazing texture. I just love it. These are oversized. Just check out how big they are. And I love that there's a little loop in the middle because you can hang it from that and it just flows so beautifully. We have limited space in our bathroom. In fact, I don't even have a towel hook. So I've been using the little loop to hang it on our rod for the shower, and that works really well. And I just love the way it looks. It just instantly classes up my bathroom. Viva Maison has a lot of different colors to choose from. They are just absolutely gorgeous, stunning colors, and you're definitely going to find one that will match your bathroom perfectly. You cannot go wrong with a set of these towels. I am obsessed with them, but that's just my point of view.